Investing tips for beginners. Do not pour millions into any physical business until you have done any of these 7 sanity checks. People don't go broke because business is hard. They go broke because they enter the game they didn't understand. These 7 checks will save you from premium tears. 1. The maintenance trap. Understand the true cost of running, not just starting. Many entrepreneurs fail because they focus on the entry fee and ignore the subscription. Before you commit capital, you must map out the daily drain, rent, staff salaries, power, logistics, and equipment maintenance. If your plan only covers the startup capital, you aren't planning a business, you are planning a collapse. 2. The reality audit. Visit at least 3 people already in the trenches. Ignore the influencers and the lifestyle gurus. You need to talk to real operators. Go to their shops, watch their operations, and ask the hard questions. If they charge for their time, pay it. There, boots on the ground reality will reveal the hidden struggles that no online videos or glossy brochure will ever mention. 3. The traffic truth. Study the location, not your emotions. Business is cold, it doesn't care about your excitement. It responds to foot traffic and buying behavior. Don't guess, verify. Stand at your potential location for a full day. Count the people. Observe what they buy. If the location is wrong, no amount of marketing or closing skill will save the investment. 4. The supply anchor. Confirm your supply chain before spending big. A great business model is useless if your suppliers are unreliable, inconsistent, or overpriced. You will face nothing but frustration if your engine lacks a steady flow of fuel. Secure and verify your supply chain agreements before you release millions into the wild. 5. The wallet vote. Validate demand through small batches. Assumption is the mother of all business failures. Never assume they will buy, make them prove it. Test the market with small quantities first. Let the customers vote with their hard-earned cash. If a small test fails to gain traction, a massive investment will only fail more spectacularly. 6. The temperament test. Check your own capacity. Every business has a personality. Some require brutal negotiation skills, others require emotional resilience or constant physical presence. Do not invest in a business that your temperament cannot handle. Self-awareness is always cheaper than a financial loss. 7. The paper shield. Document everything in writing. Verbal agreements are where friendships go to die. Whether it's partnerships, staff roles, profit sharing, or supply terms, put it on paper. Clarity is the ultimate protection for your relationships and your capital. If it isn't documented, it doesn't exist. Before you release millions into any physical business, run these 7 sanity checks. It is better to be slow and correct than fast and regretful. Remember, you don't get a life of what you want. You get a life of what you negotiate. Thanks for watching.